Lovely place, great family spot. Plenty to see and do. Great park, a couple of pools, mini golf, playground and jumping pillow. Located on the water and easy walk to town. Good villas, staff very pleasant. Great experience, lovely place to stay. Loved being able to have drinks in the pool. Excellent, great place to stay, nice and peaceful, surprising during school holiday time. Great for families. This place is great for families with infant children. We traveled with our 15-month-old daughter and my wife's friend from Japan. She loved the open spaces and the fresh air. The resort has a great kids pool with ornamental dolphins in a big elevated bucket that drops water every 30-odd seconds, a slide, etc. There is also a trampoline area too. Backing off the resort is the Clarence River, and if you take a walk along the path you reach the mouth of the river, where it empties into the Pacific Ocean. We paid $173 for one night, including double bed with bunks and stove plus cooking utensils and cutlery. Highly recommended for fishermen and water lovers. Okay, no hot shower in our villa and microwave was not working. Water stopped while I was in the middle of my shower.